Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a puffer fish. This is a puffer fish. A scorpion. This is a scorpion. The next one is a lobster. This is a lobster. A whale fish. This is a whale. The next one is a seahorse. This is a seahorse. A starfish. This is a starfish. A queen parrotfish. Orange fish. This is orange fish. A sea turtle. The next one is a king crab. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. A catfish. This is a catfish. A starfish. The next one is a whale. This is a whale fish. A puffer fish. The next one is a shark.